Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on Shiba Inu. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to share my price prediction for 2025. But before we begin, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. Tomorrow, it's Cyber Monday. So it might be the last day that you can join my Telegram group for free. It's a no-brainer, guys. Look at what we have been doing in the channel recently. I gave you this setup on Bonk, the first dog-themed meme coin that's built on Solana. A few days later, boom, 230% up. I gave you Degen. That's the setup when I first shared it on my Telegram group. A few days later, massive explosive move to the upside, 317%. People were sending me thank you messages. XLM, I gave you this setup and I said, watch for a breakout, 453% up a few days later. XRP, 190% up. I gave you bread yesterday while the price action was moving inside this channel. I stated, buy the breakout, 22% up today, and it's not done yet. We are going to see a bounce on one of the support levels and a continuation move to the upside. And of course, I gave you Shiba Inu multiple times. The first time I shared this setup with you was all the way back here in accumulation zone. On March of 2024, we had this explosive move all the way up here to 0.4045. People took profits, the price action started pulling back down, moving inside this falling wedge. I gave you the setup. I said, watch for a breakout. Boom. After the breakout, Shiba Inu pumped over 65%. I gave you this setup with a head and shoulders pattern, textbook pattern, played out exactly as we predicted, 50% move. And then this setup, this triangle pattern that Shiba Inu had been moving inside, consolidating. We broke above this yesterday. I stated, buy the breakout. What we want to see out of Shiba Inu now is most likely a pullback. So I am just waiting to see what the price action is going to do next. If we start pulling back, I want Shiba Inu to bounce on one of these support levels that I have here on the chart. This range between 0.4027 and 0.4029 was a very key psychological range of resistance in the past. If the price action pulls back and bounce above it, inside it, at the bottom of it, that's going to be really bullish, guys. So the support levels that I have here on the chart are 0.4029, 0.4027, and if we see an even deeper retrace, the next support level is at 0.4026 and 0.4025. Things are looking really bullish. So if you ask me, I really don't think that we are going to see a huge pullback all the way down here again. But if we do, this is going to be a very nice buying opportunity for us, at least in my opinion. In this channel, we love pullbacks. We love buying red candles. We never buy green, never FOMO. And of course, the deeper the pullback, the stronger the move to the upside that we are going to see later. As you see, the price action yesterday and today came all the way up here, and we tried to break above this Fibonacci level that's located at 0.4032, but we got rejected. If we don't see a pullback and the price action starts moving to the upside again, tonight or tomorrow or in the coming days, what I am going to be doing is I'm going to be waiting for the price action to break above this level at 0.4032, and I am going to buy the breakout, buy the retest if it happens, and wait for a continuation move to the upside. The next target that I have here on the chart is located at 0.4036, where I am going to take some profits. If we zoom out, the next target that I have on the chart is this previous high that we saw on March that's located at 0.4045. It might take some time for the price action to come all the way back up here because Shiba Inu is a heavy token, guys. It's the second largest meme coin by market cap, 18.51 billion. So it needs some type of liquidity to flow into this in order to make big moves like that. It's not going to move easily. It's a heavy token. But if you ask me, I really think that Shiba Inu has a lot of potential, more potential than Dogecoin. And I think that it's a very good altcoin to hold that plays in Elon Musk's narrative. Because as you might know, Elon Musk likes to pump Dogecoin. And Shiba Inu tends to follow Dogecoin when it goes up. They go up together. Shiba Inu needs just a 45-46% move to reach that previous high that we saw in March. I think it's totally possible, guys. If we see a pullback, this move is going to be even greater than this. That's why we love pullbacks. This is going to be a very nice buying opportunity in my eyes. If Shiba Inu pulls back at this first support that I have here on the chart that's located at 0.4029, the measured move to that high that we saw back in March, that's going to be a 56% move. If we see an even deeper pullback at the bottom of this range at 0.4027, That's going to be a 66% move to that recent high that we put in on March. So the deeper the pullback, the more upside potential. That's why these pullbacks are amazing buying opportunities. You see, from this support level at 0.4025, that's an 80% move. Also, Trump, when he becomes the president in about 50 days from today, he's going to put some regulatory clarity into the crypto space. And that's going to be really bullish for crypto. So buying Shiba Inu now and other altcoins, in my view, it's like we are trying to front run this regulatory clarity that the Trump administration is going to introduce in the coming months. And that's going to be huge. It's going to bring massive gains. This is what the crypto space needs right now. If we zoom out, you see that the previous all-time high is all the way up here at 0.4088. From the current price levels, that's a 186% move, guys. Let me know in the comments below. Do you think that Shiba Inu can reach that previous all-time high? I know that the data says 80 to 90% of altcoins that put an all-time high during their first bull run don't reach that all-time high during their second bull run. But I really think that Shiba Inu is in this 10% of the tokens that are going to break above this previous all-time high. So my price prediction is all the way up here at 0.3011. The measured move from the current price levels to my target is at 271%. During that previous all-time high that we saw in 2021, Shiba Inu managed to reach a market cap of 50 billion. This time, if Shiba Inu reaches my target of 0.3011, it's going to have a market cap of 68 billion approximately. But this is going to be the greatest bull run in the history of humanity, guys. We have pro-crypto America. We have all these big companies getting into the crypto space. So I think that this is totally possible. Shiba Inu has one of the greatest communities in the crypto space. It's the second largest meme coin, and the Shiba Inu community is very strong, guys. They are going to push the price up. This is one of my largest bags. I bought Shiba Inu all the way down here during the previous bull run when we had this first short accumulation zone. I was buying Shiba Inu during this long accumulation zone in 2022, 2023, and I am really bullish on Shiba Inu. Let me know in the comments below, what is your price prediction for Shiba Inu? Do you think we can surpass that previous all-time high and this target that I have here on the chart that's located at 0.3011? That's all I have for you today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm going to be posting updates on Shiba Inu very often from now on. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you receive notifications when I post these updates. Also, again, tomorrow it's Cyber Monday. It might be the last day that you can join my Telegram group for free. It's a no-brainer, guys. Look at this. These are just a few examples. There were many other setups that I gave you in the group that brought huge profits. Meme coins, AI tokens, gaming projects, RWAs, dipping. So join the group as soon as possible. If you join now, as long as it's free, you are not going to have to pay anything at least till the end of the year. That's going to be my gift to you, to those of you who supported my channel and my Telegram group early. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you on the next one. Trade carefully.